Alright, welcome back to today's video. You can see my super lowrider body there. Today's video is how did I get that in the air to work underneath it. Because I've got to fix all of the underside, paint, prep, sand, fabricate some stuff, finish some welding. I had all these fancy ideas and none of them panned out. So, no rotisserie and no tilter lift. I did this. I used my boys. So the camera is kind of shaky. I apologize in advance, but if you want to know how I lifted it, I slid the car body over on the little skates that it had, that, you know, sitting on the rockers from when we took it off the frame. And I put a floor jack and roughly found center on each side. Sorry, the camera's really bothering me, but I gotta show you because this is how you overcome no lift. Unless someone out there wants to donate a lift to me, I don't have one. So I used a floor jack on that side and a floor jack on the other side, because what's safer than 4 kids under the age of like 12 helping you lift 1,000 pounds above their bodies? So here's how I did it. Slow and steady, got it up there, and I said, oh, it's off those things. Boys, can you hold it? Yeah, we can hold it. Not a problem, Dad. I'm going to push down on it. So anyways, these kids are all helping me do this. I got it going. And the one flaw was, once we started, I got stuck in the front because I'm the big fat dead weight to help offset and balance. So as the 2 boys pump it up, jack it up, I stay as the balance point. Which means now I'm entrusting my car to a bunch of kids and I can't get off and get after them because I can't get off. Or the car falls backwards. So I yell at each kid, go up, go up, go up, go up, and we work it up like this. The goal is to see the 2x4s. Those will sit on my jack stands and on the rocker. And then the whole body will be suspended with the rocker and the jack stands. And then I can just work underneath it the best I can. And this is kind of how it looks. I sped it up a lot, the video. It took us about 15-20 minutes to get this thing in the air. I sped it up. That's why it's kind of jittery. And the other reason it's jittery is the camera person is a 7 or 8 year old neighbor. So yay. But it does get you to see the point of what we did to get a car body up in the air so I could work on it. You can see we're getting close. This is me yelling at kids. Just grab the board. Ah! And then they grab it, and then I've got another kid, you know, the oldest, comes over. This is what he wants. Slide it in. Do this thing. Now lift it up. So then they lift up the board. It's kind of fun to watch the kids because this is an old video, and they've gotten a lot older now. It's even funner when, like, 10 years from now, when they watch this video and go, holy cow, we're so young. So we got the backboard almost in. You see my butt apparently. And they got that side up. They got the other side up. So hopefully, there you go. So I go back, I inspect it and tell them how they're wrong. But they had it sitting on the rear fender. And I wanted it on the rocker. So they tip it up again. They slide it forward. And it's now sitting on the rocker. So I tell them, we're good. And they're like, no. Like, yeah, we're good. And camera girl, I should smack, but you know, she did best she can for free. Free labor is always good. I did take out some of the twist arounds that she did. Oh my goodness, she just spun in circles twice. I mean, at this speed, it was horrible. So you can see we got the back done. It's up in the air. All is going good. And now I'm like, okay, now we got to jack up again and keep going to get the front. So they keep jacking up. Dunk, dunk, dunk. And up it goes. Here we go, up and up and up and up, and this one's getting all confident because he saw how the last one went. He's like, keep going. And me, I'm holding the car, praying I don't drop it because I've already got the frame ready for this. I just got to get the body up in the air. So, a little bit higher, a little bit more work, camera shaky. But yeah, so this is 20 minutes sped up pretty fast. But you can see, almost got it up there. And I did this without a lift. Oh my goodness, right there. See that? That's a half decent shot. You can now see it. So I'm going to switch back to me filming, and it'll be a little slower. There you go. So I got the car on jack stands. To get it higher, I just put jacks underneath the 2x4s, jack it up a couple clicks, jack the front or back up. I was able to get this up pretty high. Super happy. And it looks sketchy, but the jack stands are for 6,000 pounds. 2x4s, I forget what they're rated for, but they're pretty stout. And if you see, I put the stands close to the outside, so the pressures are close to the boards. Nothing's breaking. It's not that heavy. But you can see underneath all the stuff that I put on mixed with the old stuff. So I got to get a wire brush, get down in there and wire brush all the old steel and all the weld points. I got a lot of underbody work to do, and I got to fix the rear trunk. So I got a lot to do on this. And with that lot to do, I've got to get going on it. So this video, that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to show you my sketchy way of getting the car in the air. Next video should be showing you more of the work that I had to do and how I did it. So thank you again for watching. See you on the next video. Yeah, we're getting there.